Imagine your application crashing at the peak of demand, orders flooding in, customers frustrated, and revenue slipping away. That's the true cost of neglected software maintenance. Or picture critical business operations coming to a halt because systems weren't updated on time, resulting in downtime, inefficiency, and financial loss. Or customers unable to place orders because your mobile app fails. Each minute of delay costing not just money, but trust. At Impressico Business Solutions, we ensure this never happens to you. Our software support and maintenance services keep your applications stable, secure, optimized, and always up to date, so your business runs seamlessly without disruption. From regular updates and performance tuning to proactive monitoring and security patching, we cover every stage of your software's lifecycle. Our experts prevent small issues from becoming major failures, adapting your systems to evolving technology, compliance, and security needs. Through continuous monitoring and responsive support, downtime is minimized, performance is maximized, and your business stays future-ready. Because in today's digital-first world, your software isn't just a tool, it's the backbone of your business. Keep it resilient, keep it reliable, with Impressico Business Solutions by your side. Ready to strengthen your business continuity? Let's connect. Impressico Business Solutions, your technology partner.